2013 Silverado. Customer complaint, misfire, engine light blinking, traction control light on. PO 300 and a PO 521. Oil pressure sensor performance not passed since power up. Okay, let's start it up. Run the engine data, misfire data. You can definitely feel the misfire. History, number 3, 55,000, number 5, 16,000, number 4, 18, number 6, 2. So, the only active one is number 3, counting up. Another 3 plug wire. See if we're getting any fire. Now you can hear it, so it is getting fire through the coil. I'm going to pull out the plug, see what it looks like. AC Delco looks newer. Smells like gas. Let's throw a compression gauge in there. Clear blood crank. 131. Let's pull out number 1. Plug. Number 3 was 131 on a clear plug crank. Of course, it might have some ring wash or something. Number 1 is only like, I don't know, 110. So let's swap the plugs, see what happens. Misfire moved to number 1. So it's definitely that plug. Brand new plug. I guess I should have looked at it closer for cracks or something. Look at that. Oh. Okay. Well, that's definitely the problem. And some might say, well, you used a sinking impact on it. You broke it. I don't think so. You can definitely see where it's already dirty all the way around there. See that white spot right there? Clean white spot? And then that clean white spot right there? That's the only place the porcelain was holding. This white right here, little bitty spot there, and right there. All this dirty spot was already broke. So, I'm gonna go with the spark plug and retest. Okay, I've got a good used spark plug here I'm going to put in. And just to show you from that one before. You can see the dirtiness in there where it was broke. And just sitting in there basically. Tell the difference, feels smooth. Zero misfires. We'll take it for a test drive. Go ahead and reset the codes. Check them to make sure. Yep, no codes present. Running smooth. Misfires. And it also had the oil pressure code, but they gave it to another tech when it first came in to change the oil. Somebody that just started. And then I got it for the diagnosis. So, let's see here. About 35 pounds. I don't know what the oil looks like or if it was real low causing that code. But it did show that it hadn't passed since startup. Okay, I believe the misfire is taken care of from the broken spark plug. Now it did have a whole lot on, what was it, cylinder 5, I think it said too. Let's see it. I erased the code, so it's not going to show in history. But that could have just been from, I think it had like 60 or 80 on number 3 and like 16,000 on number 5. So that could have just been from it being a cylinder right beside it. Running smooth as can be. what this oil pressure does. Okay, pulling back up to the shop. Didn't have any misfires on the test drive. £20, 21 maybe. Definitely low. So that was not on the ticket. It just said oil change. So we got 0 misfires, 0 on history. So we're good on the misfire situation. So we're gonna have to see what they want to do about the oil pressure. Hopefully it's just a stopped up screen or something, you know, halfway stopped up underneath the sensor. £23. Yeah, I don't like seeing any lower than 35, 36, but we'll have to see what they want to do on that. The misfire is taken care of. This will be my first edited video. So, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.